Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move a selection in Photoshop to another layer. Okay, I added this layer for selection. This photo. Let's begin. First of all, right click on your mouse. First of all, selected this. Okay, then click the move tool. Click and drag it for selections for this layer. Press Ctrl T, resize it. And this layer, for added this layer, simply hold Ctrl, select another layer, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Now see this layer, added layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.